Y'all, I'm gonna make a Harvest Waldorf chicken salad. So this is real good to do if you got turkey left over from your Thanksgiving meal. Chop that leftover turkey up and you will enjoy it in this salad. I feel like I'm eating so healthy when I eat this. I'm gonna make a vinaigrette first. And I'm gonna start with 1 tablespoon of sherry vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of molasses. I know I need to spray this so rolling out, but I think the olive oil, yeah, the olive oil worked. See? Because I had measured the olive oil in that. And I've got 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. Now this is just the dressing that we're gonna drizzle on top of our salad. And this will store in your refrigerator for up to like 3 days. So you could make this ahead of time. Okie doke. So we got all of our wet ingredients together. Now I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and about 1/4 of a cup.
1/4 of a teaspoon?
Yeah, 1/4 of a teaspoon, thank you. 1/4 of a cup of black pepper. I don't think any of us could eat it.
Michael.
Yeah, Michael could eat it. We got our kale, and the recipe calls for you to shred it, and I just used a knife, and just did it on a knife. I've got roasted walnuts. That's a whole one. I'm gonna kind of just bust him up. I just love walnuts. And Teresa just toasted these in the microwave for me. In the air fryer for me. And they toasted up real good. All right, I'm gonna do some carrot curls, which is gonna give it that pretty color. You can put as few or as many as you want to. And now we're gonna put our apples that got a little dose of lemon juice to help it from browning. This will be a pretty salad plated up. Oh, and we can't forget what this is about. Chicken or turkey. And in the recipe, I recommend that you use a rotisserie chicken, but right at Thanksgiving, I just bet there's going to be a lot of leftover turkey. So it's really a pretty salad. And the recipe calls for goat's cheese. I cannot stand goat cheese because my aunt and uncle had a goat named Thumper, and he stunk to high heavens. When we go over there, he would jump on the hood of our car, and he peed in his beard. So he stunk 24/7. And every time I think about goat cheese, I think about Thumper, and I just can't do it. I can't do it, y'all. So let's get a plate. So I have chosen to put this in a bowl and let people add that on top of their salad, because there may be people like me that, don't care for it. Where did my tongs go? Where is my tongs? Funny that they were in the drawer. Okay. Teresa loves goat cheese, so she just loves it. I want to make sure that each plate has a equal amount of apples and nuts. And now we're just gonna, Teresa, I'm gonna leave that goat cheese right there so you can have some goat cheese on your salad, on your half of the salad. How about that? So this is just a nice, healthy way, you know, to use up some leftovers if you have them. And just a light little drizzle of your dressing. So here we go. You know, salads, they're so funny. It's hard to eat a salad ladylike. You know, we'll be in a restaurant and they won't have the lettuce cut up real good, and you go like this, and then you got half of it hanging out. And I guess that's when you should order a chopped salad, right? It's really tasty. And like that, I felt like I'm eating so healthy. For people that like a lot of dressing, fat girls like me, you may want to double your recipe. It depends on how many people you're having for lunch as to how much you would make. But it's tasty. I hope y'all all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And I'm going to be coming your way with more good recipes for everybody. For the little fat folks, the little skinny folks, the little medium folks. Love y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.